Move. You get a picture out?
Oh,
See, look. Look, maybe you can get a maybe you get a bigger.
If they don't go toward the woods, let me know, and I'll come to this group down here.
They're okay. Sal is heading toward the woods. She's going right along the edge of the mowed part. The cub hasn't come out of the tall grass yet, but I think it should be right behind her. She's calling the cub now. She looked around, make sure it's safe.
Oh wow, thank you.
And now she's calling the cub, saying, "Okay, come on, let's go." Now, depending on how scared the cub is, with the people standing around, it may take a while to come out.
Why are you just standing there?
Making sure it's safe for the baby to come out. Mother bears, oh, now she's getting a little irritated because the baby's not coming. There it is. She's saying, come on, Junior. Come on, let's go. We got an appointment. VP4 Bravo, Alpha.
Bravo.
They're reunited and they're both working their way toward the back of that field toward the tree line.
I've got eyes there.
It's pretty darn cool, isn't it?
Yes. I just prayed. I was like, please, Lord, at least just see a bear.
See, you got a
Yes.
chance. And this is probably the best viewing you're ever going to have.
Wow.
Out in the open with a mama and a cub.
Yes, beautiful.
How come the mom is so small? Like when I see bears, they're like usually big.
The bears in the park, the Appalachian black bear, is in general not a large bear.
Oh, okay.
The males, a good sized male will be maybe 200 pounds. A 250 pound male is a huge bear. The females tend to be around 120, maybe 150 for a good sized one. She's about average. She's probably about 100, 120 pounds. Now you get over to the west and the north where the grizzly bears are, and then up where the polar bears. Those bears are huge, and I wouldn't be standing this close to one of them.
How fast is this thing? Because I watched a movie called The Revenant.
I saw that too.
Yeah, like how fast is it?
Now, that was a grizzly.
Oh, that was a grizzly. Are they really that fast? Are they faster than
They
you?
are that fast. They are that fast. If she decided to turn out and charge us, she could get us before we got to the street. They are that fast. That's why we have a minimum 50 yards. That's why, because partly that's too far for someone to throw food, and it gives us a decent head start if they turn around and come at us.
Yeah.
Although you should never run from